Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of agriculture. In today's episode, we embark on a journey to discover the intricacies of blueberry farming, a thriving industry that combines nature's beauty with the hard work of dedicated farmers. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind the cultivation, harvesting, and culinary wonders of extraordinary blueberries. Our expedition begins in the breathtaking landscapes of Chile, Mexico, Canada, and Argentina. These regions provide the ideal climate and fertile soil for these luscious fruits to flourish. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of berry cultivation as we explore the unique characteristics of each country's plantations. The blueberry tree's journey begins when a young sapling is carefully planted in the ground. Patience is key as the tree establishes its roots and acclimates to its new environment. During this period, it focuses on strengthening its root system, laying the foundation for future growth. In its first year, the blueberry tree undergoes significant growth. Watch in awe as the tree branches out and develops a more robust structure. Although it may not bear fruit during this initial year, it sets the stage for fruitful seasons to come. Maturing to maturity. As the blueberry tree enters its second and third years, it continues to mature. It invests its energy in building a stronger trunk, expanding its canopy, and developing more extensive root systems. During this time, the tree establishes its strength and resilience, preparing for the abundant harvest. The blueberry tree graces us with its delicate and beautiful flowers for a relatively short period. Generally, blueberry flowers bloom for about 2 to 3 weeks, adorning the tree with clusters of exquisite white or pink blossoms. These ephemeral blooms attract pollinators, such as bees, crucial for the successful fruit set. After the blossoming stage, the blueberry tree's flowers transform into tiny green berries. At this point, it's essential to exercise patience as the berries gradually grow and ripen. Depending on the blueberry variety and environmental conditions, it typically takes several weeks for the berries to reach their plump, juicy maturity. Observe the gradual transformation as these green orbs mature, changing color and size day by day. Feel the anticipation build as the blueberries approach their peak ripeness, ready to delight our taste buds. Finally, the long-awaited moment arrives, the blueberry harvest. Witness the skilled hands of farmers delicately picking each plump. Blueberry harvesting has come a long way with the introduction of specialized machinery designed to streamline the process. These harvesting machines, equipped with advanced technology, ensure maximum efficiency and minimal fruit damage. Using machinery for blueberry harvesting has revolutionized our operations. The machines are carefully calibrated to gently shake the blueberry bushes, allowing the ripe berries to detach and fall into collection systems. The collection systems in these harvesting machines are designed to carefully collect the freshly harvested blueberries, preventing bruising or damage during the harvesting process. Once the blueberries are collected, they are transferred from the harvesting machine into designated containers, ready to be transported for sorting and packaging.